Use the slingshot. Ooh, there we go. Oh, the battle thing came out.
Diamonds ignition all over my body. You try to text me and turn to a homie. I just be on me, I just catch the molly. Sipping on lean, now I feel like a zombie. I'm with the gang and be dumb if you try me. I tell my hoes make it up at your Gotti. I do my thing and I fuck up a party. Niggas that hate it gon' wanna say sorry. Free my guys, I ain't seen them in
Yo, what's up guys, Star here, back in another video. Today we got Pheonix P4 and Cyclops C4. We got an awesome slingshot turbo set, and I can't wait to unbox this, guys. Like, I literally can't wait. I literally started ripping it open before I started the video. I got so hyped, guys. But yeah, so Cyclops C4 is the stamina type. We got Pheonix P4, the defense type. This looks so clean and awesome right now, guys. And right here we have Pheonix P4 showing off his gimmick. Let's look at the stats. 1 attack, 1 burst, 11 defense, 5 weight, 5 agility, and 2 stamina. This is like an ultimate defense type. And right here we have 11 stamina, 3 agility, weight, defense 4, burst 1, and attack 1. This is like the ultimate stamina type too. Yo, this is such a lit set. I wanted to get this so bad, and my mom picked it up at the store, so I was so happy to get this. So yeah, besides all of that, let's get into this, guys. Alright guys, we're back and we got the bay all laid out. First, let's go over this. We got Cyclops C4. Wait, actually I want to see if a level chip will work on these Hasbro bays. I'll try that after this. But we got Cyclops C4, stamina type. This looks so cool. I love this layer. It looks really pretty and nice. Right here we have the Hasbro QR code if you guys want to scan this bay. I do recommend scanning it. It looks really cool. And I feel like the app, if you put the right combo, I feel like it'll be a really good defense type too. Just look at the layer, guys. So yeah, this is Cyclops C4. We got 5 disc. Man, they really have a lot of 5 discs. They've been like making a lot of these. So we've seen this a lot before. So let's get into the driver. Oh, for the driver, we actually have Flugel, which is really cool. Yo, okay, so the slingshot, so it has a slingshot thing with this driver too. So that's a little thing right here where you push it up. So this is sorry guys, this is battle ring mode, and like I guess it's like the stamina tip. And then if you wanna use the slingshot stuff, you turn it to this way, and then it goes to a whole flat tip. That's really cool, guys. I can't wait to test this out. And sorry about that, I have allergies really bad today. But yeah, man, this thing is so out of focus. Hold on. There we go. Now we got Pheonix P4. This is one of the bits I wanted so badly. Look, Pheonix P4, guys. This just looks so amazing. If you guys already have the code, go be sure to scan it on the Beyblade Burst app. And yeah, so this is Pheonix P4. I wonder, does the layer come off? Yeah, it does come off, and it's actually way more sturdy than the one for the Kartobi. Because the problem with the Kartobi one was that it would come off way too much. Like, I couldn't even launch, like, whenever I launch it, it would like mess up the launcher and get stuck. This one looks like it'll be pretty sturdy and nice, which is awesome. Then we got the 10 disc, which is really cool. It's kind of like double the weight of 0, I'm pretty sure. Oh wait, yeah. Oh no, that's double 0. My bad. This is the 10 disc. It's basically like the same weight as 0. My bad. But yeah, this one's still pretty cool. Then I'm pretty sure that we got friction for Hasbro, which is cool. So this is like the defense tip, I'm pretty sure. And then I'm guessing for the slingshot thing, oh yeah, I get it. So basically you just, I think you push both of these little things out. No, you only push out one of them. So look, now it's in a whole flat tip kind of thing. And then if you want to go back to battle ring mode, you literally just push this thing back in, just like that. So yeah, that's really cool about Pheonix. And yeah, so besides, well, without further ado, let's go ahead and put this bay together. So we got Cyclops C4, man. This bay just looks so clean and honestly looks so fire. This bay looks so good. Anyways, now let's put together Pheonix P4. Okay, slow for this bay, not too bad. Not the best though. And yeah, so we got, whoops. So we got Pheonix P4. Man, this bay itself just looks really lit. Honestly, this bay looks so cool. Dude, I love this. So yeah, so I'm actually gonna see if we can add the level chip. So I have my level chip right now on Orb Eggies. So let's go ahead and take that out. And let's see if I can if it works for Hasbro. Does it work? Oh yeah, it does. So you can put on a level chip if you guys want. I don't think it really helps though. But just to give the bay the cool kind of look. You know. I mean, yeah, so it does work on it, which is cool. Alright, there we go. Let's try it on Pheonix. Yeah, so it even clicks in too. So like the level chip even works for Hasbro. That's actually a little bit surprising. I actually didn't think it would work. That's cool. Alright, yeah, that's awesome, guys. Let me see. I'm trying to make sure this doesn't come off too easily. There we go. We got that. And then we got this. This is awesome, guys. And besides all that, let's go ahead and do a test launch and maybe even a test battle. Let's go. Alright, first we got a test launch with Cyclops C4 in stamina mode, well, battering mode. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, not bad. Oh, what the? Alright, now let's go ahead and put it in attack mode. There we go. Oh, slingshot mode. 3, 2, 1, go. No, Cyclops! Ooh. I love this Turbo Stadium. Yo, that's awesome. Alright, next up we got Pheonix P4 in battering mode. Finally, the fingers just come off that easy. Alright, battering mode is still a little crazy. Is it in battering mode or did it switch? Oh, it switched. That's why. It like came out. Okay, let me try this then. Alright, now it's in battering mode. Let's try it now. Ooh, the frame came out. Yo, that's so cool. So basically with Pheonix P4, I guess the way you launch it, basically it like switches from battering mode into like slingshot mode. Dude, that's so cool. I can see that in battle right now. That's so awesome. Yo, that's lit. I wonder how that'll like play out. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Now let's try this. Yeah, so basically it'll just go. It's kind of like random, I guess. So we'll see. So let's go ahead and do a little test battle. And I'm gonna have Cyclops C4 in its attack mode or slingshot mode. 3, 2, 1, go. Fire! Let's see. Okay, this is getting boring. Yo, Pheonix just looks so nice when it's spinning. Oh my god. Looks like a Cheeto, dude. Alright, lit. Honestly, just for the sake of it, just because I like this base so much. Oh yeah, and the level chip even matches with it. That's so cool. Just for the sake of it, let's go ahead and do a second test battle. 3, 2, 1, go. Use the slingshot! Ooh, there we go. Oh! The battle thing came out. Ooh, but he's trying to get through Pheonix, and ooh, Pheonix got that. Let's go, Pheonix. Alright. So anyways, boys, thank you guys for watching this unboxing on Pheonix P4 and our Cyclops C4. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification for more videos. If you guys want to see more battles with Pheonix P4 or even Cyclops C4, don't forget to comment down in the comment section below, and I'll try and do the battles you guys want me to do. And yeah, so hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. And as always, Beyblade out.
We're ready for a new beginning. When we're united, we can't be stopped. Together we can beat our rivals.